Okay, so let's assume you have got all of your different shapes on the different art boards. I'm just going to quickly make this one my red acrylic. So the next step is to send them to Kunjo. So in order to do that, he wants them as a PDF. The PDF file, it stands for portable document format, and it takes all the information that's important in here and it puts it all in a nice document that he can open in Adobe and use to laser cut these shapes for you. So the next step is to go File. Hang on a second, what's going on here? File. And Save As. You want to save it on your computer. And now you're going to change this to Adobe PDF. But the important thing is to make sure, so down here, make sure Use Artboards is turned on. All right, and so what it'll do is it'll export each of these artboards as a different page of the PDF. So if I go Save PDF, and if I go to my downloads now and find that PDF, there it is, field name tag PDF. You'll see each of the different pages is a different color, and so he'll know how to cut those out. So then you need to go to your emails, send Kunjo a very nice email and tell him which class you're in, and attach this PDF to the email and send it to him, and then he will get these cut out for you.